Wow, if the last 2 weeks were rough for stocks, this week is definitely much worse. My portfolio is down bad. Let's take a look at it. None of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Although the market is down bad, I am expecting to make $10 in dividend income annually, if I no longer put money into this account. However, one really big thing to notice is that the portfolio value has dropped hard from what it should be. Last week it was $451 value, and with the contribution of $50 it should be at $501 without considering the movement in the market, and now it's well below that. Also, some interesting news came out recently with Michael Burry's bet against the stock market. What are your thoughts on that? Where do you see the market going in the short term? Let's take a look at the individual holdings now. My holdings are the same, but as you can see there is much more red in the growth for certain stocks. SCHD, VU, JPM and Cost have joined my 3 other red stocks, and they're all now in the red. I don't mind DCAing into these and continuing to hold, but I am annoyed about buying VU over 400 because I wanted to keep my average under $400, but it's whatever. Seems like soon I'll be able to buy it again under $400, so I'll keep buying. With SCHD, if it dips to $69 lol, I'll continue to scoop up more. I DCA'd up on this stock and I'll gladly DCA down. Let's look at contribution now. I made my second contribution for the month of August of $50, and this puts me 17.50% to a 2K portfolio value. These are the stocks that I purchased with those $50, but as you might have noticed the sum is $50.07. This is because I got paid the Lowe's dividend and I pretty much dripped it back into the portfolio. Also, I got paid my O and AAPL dividends, and so next week the contribution to the portfolio will be slightly more than the $50 that I contribute. Although the market has been really bad this week, there are a few positives. Firstly, I beat the market for another week in a row, even if it's by a slight 0.02%. I will gladly take it. In the 1 week, both performed poorly, but mine performed slightly less worse. Now the 1.75% is inaccurate. In M1 Finance my 1 week return is showing as a 2046.22% return, which is not true, but that would be awesome. So I had to calculate the 1 week return myself, so it's probably not 100% accurate, but it's a decent estimate, I hope lol. For the individual stocks, JNJ was my only positive returning stock for the 1 week, with CAT being the worst performing stock for this week. I also want to say that with Apple there is a lawsuit, so let's see how that affects the stock price over time. This concludes the 4th portfolio update. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it does help my video with the YouTube algorithm.